welcome to Cloud University, the best online training program on the web. Today we're here with Ed Carpenter, the founder and dean of Cloud University. Ed, thank you very much for joining us today.
Well, it's my pleasure.
Thank you. We'd like to talk a little bit. We have some questions from the internet here, from our Facebook page, about the CloudU program. So Ed, where did you get the idea for founding CloudU Online, and what was it like creating a totally new online training program from scratch?
Well, I have a consulting business, and I go into companies and help them to improve their results. And I began to see that a lot of training was being done on the internet. And I, in fact, enjoy taking classes on the internet. A lot of the colleges and universities are beginning to offer entire degrees on the internet. And so I thought, I don't want to miss out on this development. And I really like the whole idea of being able to work at your own pace and work when it's convenient for you. So even if you're a night owl, you can be doing work on the internet and taking a class on the internet late at night. You've got a break at work. You can get out your smartphone, get into your classroom, and begin to work. Even interact with your professor. And so it's you know, I just wanted to take advantage of this technology and the advancements in this technology.
That is great. Right now the job market is both really scary and also bursting with opportunities. And so for those who have the right skills, how does CloudU help people get an edge in the job hunt?
Well, we're constantly adding and deleting courses. Courses that go out of vogue, that you know, old Microsoft programs, those kind of things, and then the new ones that are coming on. So we're constantly updating and culling out those programs that are not up to date. And the whole purpose there is that people would have the opportunity to grow and develop and get the skills that are specific to what their employers need, or that new job that they want to get needs. So they can go out and they can read about a particular company that they want to pursue and they want to work for, and the kind of skills that they need in order to work in that company. They may need to complement what they've already accomplished. And they can go out to CloudU and take a course, 6-week course, 2 classes once a week, interact with a caring instructor, take quizzes all the way along to assure that they're getting the information, and take an exam at the end, get a certificate. That goes on the resume, and now they can go and show that they're people that are constantly growing, constantly developing.
That's great. And my boss tells me I got to learn a new computer application right away, or I'll lose my job. Ed, what can CloudU do with the emergency software training?
Well, when you go out to the online classroom, right in the first page is a search field. So you put in the title of the software or the program that you need to learn, and it'll go out and find the courses that you need to take. And then you go and you can research, is this what I need? When does it start? And you sign up and ready, set, go. It's just that simple. And you get a caring instructor, you get led along in learning the materials. You don't have to go and buy any books. It's all online. You can print out everything, so when you're done, you can have a binder that's got all that material in it for future reference. Yeah, it's to me, it's a great value.
Great, great. A lot of people are put off by the huge price tag of traditional colleges and universities.
Right.
And a lot of student debt. A lot of people going broke from student debt.
That's right.
How does CloudU provide value?
Well, these are non-credit courses. So it's very specific to what you need to get you the skill, the knowledge, the capability to work in whatever area you need. And so it's not this big investment. Most of our courses are $225.
Only $225?
Yeah.
I mean, that's less than you spend on a Sony game system like the PS3.
Yeah.
I mean, that's practically giving it away.
I know. Yeah. Well, I think it's a great value too. And And then there's some other courses that you can get a little more in depth, and they go for a longer period of time. But even those, you know, are $1,500 to $2,000, and when you're all done, lots of times they're certified by the backing agency that you need the certification in, those kind of things. So this is just a great value and a great opportunity. And again, what it is, it's specific to the needs that you have, the immediate needs that you have. So you're not taking English 101 and all the prerequisite things you have to do in order to get the degree. Now, I am not in the least denigrating going to the college and university to get a degree. I have a PhD, so I've been through a lot of school, and I'm glad I got it, and I learned a lot. But when you need that specific knowledge, that specific class, Cloud U is the place to go.
Oh, that's great. That's great. I'm always on the go, and I don't have time to sit down at my home computer, but I've always got my smartphone with me. How does Cloud U turn my iPhone, BlackBerry, or Droid Google phone into a mobile classroom?
Let me catch that softball, David. You set me up on that one, man. I'm so proud of this because the cool thing is that with the advancement of technology, instead of even having to go to a computer, lots of times I'll be waiting to go see a client in a waiting room. I can get my smartphone out, and I can be in a classroom, and I can be studying that class, and I can be taking a quiz, and I can be interacting with my professor right on the smartphone. So this is so cool, you know. And I think it's the way to go, and the future is here.
Amen to that. Yeah. Amen to that.
Wow, what about an iPad, man? Doing it on an iPad? Awesome.
Oh, wow. Yeah. That would be great. Mm-hmm. That would be great. Yeah. Cloud U is a 24/7 training program. What are the core components of the 24/7, anytime, anywhere learning experience?
Core components are that you're working at your own pace. You are getting the tutoring and the care of an instructor. You can interact with that instructor. You can have questions that you pose to that instructor. You interact with the students in the classroom. You can download and print out the material, so you've got that you can put on your shelf. You can reference that. So it's getting everything that a person might need in order to be able to advance in a particular skill, particular area of knowledge. And I just think it's the way to go.
Wow, absolutely, absolutely. Now, how many courses are now available online, and how often are you adding new courses to the Cloud U course listings?
Let me catch that softball. We're constantly adding courses, constantly leading courses. There's over 300 courses out there right now.
Wow.
And you know, we're constantly looking at, you know, what are our students valuing? You know, where's the market going? Where's the software being developed? What are the new advancements? And what courses do we need for, you know, to offer our clientele? So, you know, we're constantly looking for those kind of things.
Absolutely, that's great. That's great. So Ed, a next question from one of our people on Facebook.
Yep.
After I complete my online course, what kind of career counseling services does Cloud U provide to help me get the most out of my new skills?
Well, one thing we're proud of already with Facebook, we've just started on Facebook, is that we've got well over 300 students out there. We've got, as you call it, a small high school. And so I'm real proud of what we're doing out there. And you know, our Facebook friends will say, man, I wish I could get a job. Well, then I'm able to go and I'm able to say, hey, we got a course, 12 steps to a successful job search. And so things like that are constantly ongoing. So we're entertaining questions on Facebook all the time, and glad to do it. Excited about that capability and using that technology.
That's great. That's great. Next question from our online friends. What kinds of services and support are available if I have questions or problems during my online coursework?
Constant person available to answer questions, to help you. There's a phone number that you can call and get any of your issues solved. But the reality is this: it is so smooth, so seamless, that we have very few questions. It just works so good. And the cool thing is that once a person's taken a course out there, they go tell their friends and they come back. And I think that's well in the 80% range, above 80% that folks come back and they're so satisfied and so pleased with the courses. So I'm just real proud of that.
Awesome, awesome. Now, our last question here. What are employers saying about graduates of Cloud University courses and classes?
Thank you, because they're these are folks that have got a job lots of times, and their employer may have bought a bank of courses of opportunities and keys to go in and take courses, and their employees go in and they take that course. They take that course in Excel. They come back. While they're taking the course, they're coming back with templates, with solutions, with improved skills, improved knowledge, and then they get finished, and those folks are better off, and the employer is better off, and making more money.
That is great.
So
that is great.
Real proud of our success there.
Oh, that is great. Well, Ed, thank you very much, and everyone, stay tuned. This is first in a series of our interviews with CloudU. To learn more about the Cloud University system online, please visit www.clouduniversity.us. Thank you very much, everybody, and tune in next time when we go really in-depth with the Cloud University course listing system. Thanks!